Today we all have assembled here for a full court farewell reference of Honorable Mr. Justice Navneet Kumar, Judge High Court of Jharkhand. May I have the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, to commence the proceeding of the full court farewell. May I now request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Jharkhand, Ranchi, to commence his Lordship's address.
My sister and brother judges, learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Chairman and members of the Jharkhand State Bar Council, President and Secretary of the Advocates Association of the High Court of Jharkhand, learned Senior Advocates, learned Registrar General and members of Registry, learned members of the Bar, family members of Justice Navneet Kumar. Today we have assembled here to bid farewell to our beloved colleague, Justice Navneet Kumar. He was born on 20th March 1963 at Ara in Bihar. He completed his matriculation from St. John's High School, Ranchi. He graduated in physics from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. He completed his LLB from Campus Law Center, New Delhi University in 1987 and also secured Masters in Law degree from the same university. Thereafter, he started his practice from the Delhi High Court and then moved his practice to the Patna High Court from 1990 and continued there for a decade. In December 2001, he joined the Superior Judicial Services in Jharkhand as Additional Judicial Commissioner, Ranchi. Among the multifarious roles and responsibilities discharged by Justice Navneet Kumar in the District Judiciary include OSD to His Excellency the Governor of Jharkhand in 2003, Additional District and Session Judge in Dhanbad in 2005, Senior Faculty Member in the Judicial Academy, Jharkhand, Joint Secretary of the Jharkhand State Legal Service Authority in 2008, Principal Judge Family Court Ranchi in 2010, Principal District and Session Judge Lohardaga, Principal Secretary to the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Jharkhand, Principal District and Session Judge Gadwa, Member Secretary of Jalsa. He had also served as a Judicial Commissioner Ranchi till his elevation on 8th October 2021 as a Judge of this High Court. He has thus rendered his services as a Judge of the District Court as well as a Judge of this Court, showcasing his profound dedication and commitment to the cause of justice. His work had a positive impact on the lives of people, and his decisions have time and again set precedents, actively contributing to the rich tapestry of legal jurisprudence. He has delivered several landmark judgments during his tenure as a Judge of this Court. He has also discharged several administrative responsibilities. He was a member of the several committees of this Court and enriched them with his rich experience and profound wisdom. Some of the committees of which he was a member are Juvenile Justice cum POXO Committee, State Level Mediation Monitoring Committee, Library Committee, Special Committee for Recruitment of Class 3 and Class 4 posts, and Indian Law Report and E-Digital Law Report Committee. He was also previously part of the High Court of Jharkhand Gender Sensitization and Internal Complaints Committee, Committee for Implementation of Decisions of the Apex Court, Committee for Service Conditions of District Judiciary, etc. He was also Joint Secretary of Jalsa and twice Member Secretary of Jalsa, enhancing the quality of work at the grassroots level. By his sincerity and hard work, Justice Navneet Kumar had acquired the love, respect and unwavering support of the bar, the bench and the registry, as also the judicial officers and the staff. While holding court, Justice Navneet Kumar had faithfully interpreted and applied the law, but has been also conscious of the social realities of the state. During the tenure as a Judge of the High Court, he had disposed of, as on 18th March 2025, 6,531 matters, out of which 3,808 were main cases and 2,723 were miscellaneous cases. He was dedicated to the cause of justice, and his judicial work reflects profound sensitivity to the needs of the marginalized and vulnerable sections of our society. As we gather to bid farewell to Justice Navneet Kumar, we glance through his beautiful yet challenging journey and appreciate his humility, humanity, and ability to treat everyone with equality and dignity. I must say that his endearing persona is what we are all going to miss the most. With a mixture of pride and sadness, we celebrate the illustrious career of a man who has dedicated his life to the pursuit of justice and upholding the rule of law. I conclude with wishing Justice Navneet Kumar a very happy, contented, and fulfilling life filled with the same passion and vigor that defined his judicial career. As he prepares to embark on a new chapter of life, I wish that this new innings be surrounded by his loved ones and may be equally pleasant and memorable. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Advocate General, State of Jharkhand, to commence his address.
My Lords, Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice M.S. Ramachandra Rao, and my Lords, other companion Honorable Judges of the Jharkhand High Court, the law officers of the State of Jharkhand, the learned Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, the Additional Solicitor General, Government of India, the President and Secretary of the Advocate Association, Jharkhand High Court, learned senior advocates, respected members of the history, and all the learned members of the Advocates Association. Today, we gather in this distinguished courtroom to bid farewell to an exceptional jurist, a guardian of justice, and an individual whose presence has enriched this institution, Honorable Mr. Justice Navneet Kumar. Honorable Mr. Justice Navneet Kumar was born on 20th March 1963 in Ara, Bihar. He completed his schooling at St. John's High School, Ranchi, where his sharp intellect and thirst for knowledge were evident. His journey of academic excellence continued at St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, where he pursued physics. His passion for justice led him to the hallowed house of Campus Law Center, Delhi University, where he earned his LLB in 1987. His lordship's quest for knowledge did not stop there. He went on to complete his LLM from Delhi University, deepening his understanding of law and its ever-evolving dimensions. His lordships began his legal career by practicing at the Delhi High Court, whereafter he moved to the Patna High Court, where he practiced for nearly a decade, mastering the nuances of law. On 22nd December 2001, he joined the Superior Judicial Services of Jharkhand as an additional Judicial Commissioner, Ranchi. His career in the judiciary has been one of diligence, commitment, and relentless pursuit of justice. Throughout his tenure, he has held various prestigious positions, each one demonstrating his versatility, leadership, and depth of legal knowledge. His lordship served as officer on special duty to the Governor of Jharkhand, Additional District and Sessions Judge Dhanbad, Senior Faculty Member at the Judicial Academy, Jharkhand, Member Secretary of the Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority, Jhalsa, Ranchi, Principal Judge, Family Court at Ranchi, Principal District and Sessions Judge at Lower Daga and Garhwa, and Judicial Commissioner, Ranchi, before his elevation to the Honorable Jharkhand High Court on 8th October 2021. At every stage, Justice Navneet Kumar has upheld the highest standards of judicial conduct. His judgments have been marked by clarity, fairness, and legal soundness, reinforcing the faith of people in the judiciary. His contributions to judicial education and legal awareness, particularly through Jhalsa and his Judicial Academy, have left an indelible mark on the institution. His initiatives in promoting legal aid, his belief that justice should reach the last person in society, and his efforts in strengthening the legal framework have made a significant impact. As we bid farewell to his lordship today, we do so with a deep sense of respect, admiration, and gratitude. His contribution to the judiciary will not fade with time. They will continue to inspire generations of lawyers and judges. His name will be remembered in the annals of this honorable court, not just for the judgments he delivered, but for the values he upheld. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity of Jharkhand, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for my Lord's years of service. We wish him good health, happiness, and a peaceful retirement. Thank you.
I now request Mr. Rajendra Krishna, Chairman, Jharkhand State Bar Council, to commence his address.
Honorable Mr. Justice M.S. Ramachandra Rao, the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court, Honorable Companion Judges of the Jharkhand High Court, Honorable Members of the Jharkhand State Bar Council, Learned Advocate General, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Learned Deputy Solicitor General, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Sinha, representing the association, all learned senior advocates, all my fellow members of the bar, learned Registrar General, members of registry and the court staff. Today we gather here with mixed emotions to bid farewell to a remarkable jurist, a distinguished scholar of law, and above all, a humble and compassionate human being, Honorable Mr. Justice Navneet Kumar, as he steps into a new chapter of life after decades of exemplary service to the legal fraternity and the judiciary. Born on 20th of March 1963 in Ara, Bihar, Justice Navneet Kumar in his academic journey attended St. John's High School, Ranchi, St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, and the Campus Law College, Delhi University. Justice Navneet Kumar's journey from the bar to bench is one of the dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to the justice. He began his practice at the Delhi High Court before moving to the Patna High Court in 1990. On 22nd December 2021,